This is amazing. So if you want to make this kind of presentation, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. This is a new Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Let me go to new slide, insert a blank slide. Let me zoom out, go to insert, go to shape, pick a rounded corner rectangle shape and drag it over here like this. Make it sharper. Now click on it, go to shape format, shape outline, make it no outline. Make it bigger and rotate it like this and place it here. Make it bigger. Press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it like this. Again press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it like this, and press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it like this. Now select all of this shape, press Ctrl A and press Ctrl G to group them together. Now I have to add a text box. Go to insert, go to shape, pick a text box and drag it over here and write here city. Make it bold and change the font to Arial and make it bigger. Now I have to add some text, so go to insert, go to shape, pick a text box and drag it over here like this, and I have to insert some text. Let me write some text here, make it bold, make it bigger and place it like this. Now I have to add a picture. Let me click on this. Click on right button, go to format shape, go to fill. Now go to picture or texture fill and click on insert. Click on from a file and I have to insert this picture. Click on this and click on insert. As soon as I click on insert, a picture will be inserted. Now I have to add another texture fill of this image. Let me select this one, go to shape format, go to text fill, go to picture. From a file, let me select this image, click on insert. This is looking perfect. Now I have to add some animation. Let me click on this one, go to animation, click on fly in. Then let me click on this one, click on fly in and change the direction from top right and change the duration to 2 seconds. Then let me click on this one, go to the animation fly in and click on after previous. Now let me watch the slideshow. This is perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.